Hi, my name is Jason Hubal. I'm the broker for Central Metro Realty, and today I'm going to make a short video for you to show you how to request sponsorship from another broker on TREC's website. Now, you can do this on a paper version, but this is much faster. It's free to use. So the first thing to do is to get to TREC's website, trec.texas.gov. Then you're going to need to sign in. I'm using one of our agents' information here as an example for this. From this login, you can renew your license, you can update information, but you can also, what we're focused on is managing your sponsorship. So to make a request for a new broker, I'm going to click on this drop down, manage my sponsorship, and then I'm going to select that as an option. From this screen, I'm just going to go to the next. You can read them if you'd like. This from here is what allows me to terminate my relationship with my current broker if I'd like. But what I'm here to show you today is how to request sponsorship. So I click this button. From this menu, I'm only going to focus on these two things. That's all you need is these two. The rest of this stuff, I don't even know why they have it here. Maybe to search for brokers. But there's two different types of brokers. There's a real estate company. Most of the larger firms will be in an LLC. There'll be a broker LLC is how they're set up. But you can also have an individual. That'd be like me as a broker, Jason Huval. But in this case, we're requesting from a company. That's a real estate LLC. And then I need the license number, 588680. That's it. These two things. The rest of it here is just set out to confuse you. I'm going to search with those two items. Here are the results with Central Metro Realty. I'm going to select this. This is the little standard email that they're going to send out. I'm going to request sponsorship. But you're not done. You think you're done, but you're not done. And this is where most people get confused. Here, I still have to click next. So I could undo this request. I could terminate the other one, but I don't need to do those things. What I want to do is I want to stay active my license until this new broker accepts my license. And so it's not done yet. I'm going to click next here. I'm going to hit submit. I'm going to hit yes. And you can read all this if you want. And then I'm going to hit next. And used to, they would charge you a fee somewhere in between all that, but now they don't. I guess TREC has too much of our money, and they're no longer charging us to transfer your license. That may change in the future, but as of right now, it's free. And that's it. I'm done. Now I'm officially done. This is going to send an email to that new brokerage saying, please accept my sponsorship. And that broker can accept whenever they're ready to do. And when they do accept that, it'll automatically terminate your existing sponsorship with your previous broker. It's just that simple, folks. Call, text me anytime if I can help in any way at all. Thanks so much for watching.